How to solve linear equation by using elimination method. So, ang ating example given, x minus 3y equals 2. Itong ating first equation. Then, 2x plus 3y equals 13. Itong ating second equation. Now, ang gagawin natin, just add lang itong 2 equation. So, x plus 2x, that is 3x. Then, itong negative 3y and positive 3y, cancel out na ito. Dahil magkaiba yung sign, subtract tayo, ito ay 0 na. Kasi tayo equals itong 2 plus 13, that is 15. Then, divide natin both side by 3. So, dito ang natira na lang yung x. Cancel out na itong 3. Then, 15 divided by 3, that is 5. So, itong ating value ng x equals 5. Now, ito ay ating substitute dito sa any of this equation. So, let us say itong equation 1. So, substitute natin yung value of x, itong 5, then minus 3y equals 2. Then, copy itong negative 3y equals, copy itong 2, then transpose itong 5 dito sa kabila. So, from positive, magiging negative. Okay? So, just copy lang itong 3y equals 2 minus 5, that is negative 3. Then, divide natin both side by negative 3. So, divide natin both side. So, ang naiwan lang dito ay yung y equals negative 3 divided by negative 3, that is positive 1. Itong value ng ating y equals 1. Now, let's check kung tama ba itong ating value ng x at saka itong value ng y. Balik tayo sa ating original equation, then substitute natin itong value ng x at saka itong value ng y. Ganito po. Dito sa ating original equation, sa equation 1, substitute natin. Then simplify natin, just copy itong 5. Then negative 3 times positive 1, that is negative 3 equals 2. Then subtract tayo. 5 minus 3 equals 2. So, 2 equals 2. Next, ito naman equation 2. Substitute natin ang value ng x at saka itong value ng y. Ganito po. Ngayon, ating nang simplify. 2 times 5, that is 10. Copy itong plus sign. 3 times 1, that is 3. Then equals 13. Then i-add natin. 10 plus 3. Then copy ito equals 13. Add na natin. 10 plus 3, that is 13 equals 13. So, therefore, ang ating value ng x equals 5 and y equals 1 is correct. Okay? So, now, try this one. Comment your answer.